Who's gonna get it first? Huh? Do you like that, Hope? Huh? Do you like that? Yeah? Hope he likes it. Cassie, you want this one? I know I gotta take the things off, but I just want to see how they react to them first. This is our first kitnip box. You want this one, Tigger? Ooh, do you like that? Oh yeah. Tiger likes it. Opie likes it. Casper just don't know what to think about it. But Tiger really likes it. You guys spoiled again, huh? You want this? Should Sissy open them? Sissy take them apart? Here we go. There you go, Casper. Opie, here you go. Yep, they all have each toy that they like the most. Ooh, look, treats. You guys want some treats? Yeah, I know you do. Huh? You want some treats? Should we see? Should we see if you like these treats? Ooh, they're turkey. Dried turkey treats. Now, Tiger's kind of picky about her treats, but I think she kind of likes them. Hope and Cassie, they don't care. They like their turkey. But Tiger seems to like it because she just downed the first one. Now she's going to another one. And Tiger ate all hers. Hope's just not like, okay, I'm done. Wasn't a big fan of it. Hope wasn't a big fan of it. But Tiger and Casper like it. Now, the next thing is the fishing toy. Which they're not real big fans of these, but we'll see. Cassie, you gonna play? Oh, Cassie likes it. Cassie likes it. Oh, Cassie's going after the cinema toy. Hope he's gonna go after the fishy. Hope you're gonna go after the fishy. You gonna go after the fishy? Oh, like, ooh, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Ooh, Tiger wants it. Tiger wants it. Tiger won't leave it go. And they're 9 and 10. I didn't think they'd like it this much. But it's a hit.